Hi, and welcome back to Scratch. Today we're going to make stuffed bell peppers. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this, we'll need a half pound of ground beef, 4 bell peppers, half of a yellow onion, a cup of water, a cup of shredded mozzarella, 3/4 cups of beef broth, a half cup of mixed wild rice, 3 tablespoons of oil divided, a teaspoon of salt, a half teaspoon of pepper, a 24-ounce jar of marinara sauce, as well as some cooking spray. We'll start by bringing our 3/4 cups of beef broth to a boil over medium-high heat. Once boiling, we'll stir in our half cup of mixed wild rice, reduce heat to medium-low, cover it, and allow it to cook for 15 minutes while stirring occasionally. Once cooked, we'll remove it from the heat and allow it to rest until needed. Then we'll preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven's preheating, we'll rinse and dry our bell peppers. Then we'll cut the tops off of our bell peppers, seed them, and remove the ribs. And coat our peppers inside and out with 2 tablespoons of our oil before transferring them to a 2-quart casserole dish. Then we'll roughly chop the tops of our bell peppers and peel and dice half of our yellow onion. Then we'll add our cup of water to our casserole dish, cover our peppers with foil, and bake them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. While the peppers are baking, we'll heat our remaining tablespoon of oil over medium-high heat. Then brown our ground beef with our teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of pepper, crumbling it as it cooks, about 8 minutes. Once our beef is cooked through, we'll add our bell pepper and onion and cook until softened, about another 4 minutes, stirring occasionally, before stirring in our cooked rice, half of our marinara sauce, and a half cup of our shredded mozzarella, and removing it from the heat. After baking for 20 minutes, we'll remove our peppers from the oven and drain them. After draining our peppers, we'll spray our 2-quart casserole dish with cooking spray and spread our remaining marinara sauce over the bottom, before stuffing each of our peppers with our filling and topping them with our remaining half cup of shredded mozzarella. Then we'll return them to the oven and bake them uncovered for an additional 20 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.